What's up, guys? Rain finally ended here in South Carolina. Storm's gone, so we're gonna go pour some concrete today with the A-team.
Yee! Imelda was kind of a bitch, so we ain't got no pools to clean up, so we gonna build them instead.
Let's go.
Shovel. Ross, you got a shovel? Are they done yet or what, dude? Dude, that's the first time I've had this one. It might be the best flavor I've ever had in my life. Equipment going in as well, so hopefully have this one wrapped up in about a week or less. I'm gonna get back to work because we actually got to do things around here, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're installing a Hayward TriStar pump and a Hayward C100 cartridge filter, and then putting in an Omni S3 control system to power everything. Pretty basic system.
That's Corey, and I'm your hostess with the mostest. Straight as a whistle. Jeez Louise, take her out to dinner.
Turn around, dude. I guess we fucking employ city workers these days. Get those two guys. Tell me what they're doing. Watching that third guy work his ass off. So, reverse, forward. Oh shit,
He's getting fancy.
That's the parking brake you just put on. Throttle her up, dude. Throttle her up.
Send it! Nah, you don't look like you do social media. Except for Facebook Marketplace selling pillows for $5.
Hey, you can get some nice trades on Facebook Marketplace. That's where I got my trike from.
What kind of pedals and chain you have on it?
No. It's a custom built trike.
What'd you guys do, dude? Go ahead, tell me. I'm tired.
As you can see, you got Corey putting the final touches on the system. Got our deck done today. That leaves plaster. Start up.
That's a wrap.
It's a Reynolds wrap. Like and subscribe.